Hello everyone, hope you are doing well. In this video, I will show how to turn on call forwarding setting on of call forwarding on Redmi A3 Pro. Before starting this video, please press the bell icon or do subscribe this channel. Let's start our video without wasting any time.